Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Poshmark affiliate program, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for the Poshmark affiliate program, start by visiting the Poshmark website. Scroll to the bottom of the home page. Click on the affiliate program link. You will be directed to the affiliate program overview page. Read through the provided details to understand the benefits of the program. Look for the Join Now or Sign Up button on the page. Click that button to reach the registration form. Fill in the required fields with your information. This typically includes your name, email address, and social media or website links. Make sure to use an email address that you frequently check. Create a secure password for your account. After completing the form, review all your entries for accuracy. Once satisfied, submit the registration form. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting. Check your email inbox for this confirmation. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Follow the instructions in the confirmation email to verify your account. After verification, log in to your Poshmark affiliate account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available resources. Look for promotional materials and links provided by Poshmark. Copy your unique affiliate link to start sharing. Promote your link through your social media platforms or website. Track your performance using the analytics tools available in your dashboard. Stay engaged with the Poshmark community for tips and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.